So I bought a Moblite 6. This thing is very stripped down. First things first, I'm going to take it apart. The Moblite is a bare bones, ultra lightweight tiny whoop by a company called Happymodel. As you can see, the construction is dead simple, no frills whatsoever. In this video, I will make 2 necessary modifications keeping with the lightweight philosophy. Afterwards, I'll take it for a test flight. Waterproofing the flight controller is a simple process. However, I did some preparatory work before adding the protective coating. Off camera, I scrubbed the flight controller with some isopropyl alcohol and a toothbrush to remove dirt, dust, and any remaining solder flux from when it was assembled. You can see here I'm using blue tack to insulate the connectors that should remain conductive. This is an idea I had that I wanted to try out. I'm not sure if others have tried this method already. If you know a better way, just leave a comment below. I'm using MG Chemicals 422C Silicone Conformal coating. I'm also using a hot air gun to speed up the drying process. This brand of conformal coating can be illuminated in UV light. This is handy to find where you might have missed a spot. For the camera, I'm using the same process, just covering the lens with the blue tack. Now that the coating is dried, I can remove the blue tack. I check my paint job with the UV light, and it looks good to me. I think I'll use this method again in the future. While my Moblite was still in the mail, I was watching a review by Albert Kim. The link is in the description. He suggested using some sort of foam to protect the exposed flight controller on the top. He reported to have crashed upside down on some rocks, and the impact ruined his flight controller. I'll be taking his advice. Here I'm adding a small layer of foam rubber on top to protect the board. I'll be affixing it with hot glue. I made sure the silicone had dried thoroughly before adding the hot glue. Now all I gotta do is put it back together.